Namaste. A warm welcome to all of you once again to my channel Dust Temple. I'm Manisha Sandeep and I welcome you all. Today the topic that I have chosen is love, the prospering power of love. Yes, we all have heard of this word love, but we try to seek it outside. Something that is within me, something that is within all of us. What we are doing is searching outside, and that's where there is a lag. That's where we suffer. We as human beings have this potential to create something so powerful from within us because we all are born with this quality. It's just that we need to disclose, we need to uncover that quality within us, tap into that energy and see what it can bring and change in our life. There is nothing new about this idea on the power of love. It has been existing for years, eons and millions of years within us since the time human beings were born. We can express these qualities of love both as personal love and as impersonal love. Personal love could be expressed as kindness, tenderness, courtesy, affection, approval, consideration, appreciation, devotion to those in our family groups. Impersonal love is basically the ability to get along with people without personal attachment or emotional involvement. Only good will come towards you by expressing your true love. It has been proven by scientists, and people have really worked hard to understand this concept. Divine love is one of your mental and spiritual faculties. You do not have to search outside yourself for love. You can begin releasing it from within outward through your thoughts, your words, your actions, and affirmative prayers. As you do, you will experience the success power of love in all its fullness as it works through people, situations, and conditions that concern you. A world-renowned sociologist, Sorkin, has conducted research studies at Howard University on the power of love. Under his direction, a staff of scientists studied the subject of love. Their findings were that love, like other good things, can be produced deliberately by human beings. No machine, no technology can create that. They stated that there is no reason why we cannot learn to generate love as we do other natural forces. Thus, there is no reason for you to feel disillusioned or disappointed if love has seemingly let you down or passed you by. Those who bitterly declare that their lives are without love or mistakenly looking to someone or something outside themselves for love, begin realizing now that love is the first within you and can be released through your thoughts, feelings, words, and actions. As you begin developing love from within outward, you are truly proving your method to be spiritual, scientific, and satisfying. You no longer feel at the mercy of people, situations, and conditions. You become master of your world and free from hurt, fear, disappointment, and disillusionment. What we are seeking outside is all within us. Many people are discovering this power in all departments of life. In the realm of human relationships, it is all powerful. A housewife told of having quarreled with her husband, after which he stormed out of the house. Having learned that she could generate love from within outward, she decided to try it in her marital crisis. Quietly, she began to say over and over, "I call on the divine love to heal our marriage now. I call on the divine love to straighten out and adjust this situation." In a little while, a sense of peace overwhelmed her, and she busily began preparing dinner for her husband in faith that he would return to enjoy it after the previous quarrel that they had. Soon she heard a doorbell, and her husband entered in a happy frame of mind, carrying a box of candy for her. Their quarrel never fewer and less severe, and in due time their marriage was entirely healed and in harmony. They lived forever. Love melts situations that seems impossible. Over and over she kept saying, "Yes, it is true. Love melts situations that seems impossible." And they had a happy life forever together. Like for in the work situations, the affirming statement could be, "Divine love is doing its perfect work in this situation." At times you might find yourself in a difficult situation. Let the divine love within you handle that situation, and you will see a shift, a positive shift, and a change in the situation where you are able to handle the same situation in a calm, peaceful way with a positive solution. When you are inclined to wonder how thoughts and words of love can do much good in resolving various problems, remind yourself that loving words and loving thoughts seem supercharged with power to produce good. Indeed, it is a mission of love, both personally and impersonally, to produce eternal good in your life. Your part is not to wonder how love works, but just to dare to begin releasing it from within yourself. When you do, you will always witness interesting and satisfying results. The wonderful thing to remember is that when there is a need for love, you can begin supplying it from within yourselves, which is so powerful, which is so immense. There is never a lack of it when you start supplying it from within yourself. In fact, trust me, people, it will only multiply. All men experience expressions of divine love. Therefore, I can meet with nothing but expression of divine love, because everybody has that within us. So the best way to meet anybody, to think about anybody, is from the space of love. I praise divine love that there is a strong, wise way out of any dilemma. Divine love expressing through me now draws to me all that is needed to make me happy and my life complete. Isn't this very powerful statement, people? Try for yourself. Try to bring out the love that is within you and start releasing it to the outside world. And you will see the love within you and your life multiplies and multiplies. Bless you with loving and caring energies. Sending you lots of love. Thank you. Thank you.